Hello, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a fascinating new AI ability that's just starting to emerge, answering a visual question not with text, but by generating a whole new image. For example, you show an AI a picture of a t-shirt and ask for a matching mug, and it creates one. Or you show it a basket of eggs, flour, and tomatoes and ask what you can make, and it generates a picture of a finished pizza. This is called Visual Question Visual Answering, or VQVA. As you can see in these examples, powerful, closed-source models from big tech companies are getting really good at this. However, the open-source models available to the public have struggled immensely, often misunderstanding the question or just lacking the real-world knowledge to create a sensible image. The researchers behind this paper, VQVA World, hypothesized that the biggest roadblock for open-source AI wasn't the models themselves, but a massive scarcity of the right kind of training data. Standard datasets teach an AI how to do simple edits like removing an object or changing a color. They don't teach the creative, multi-step reasoning needed for VQVA. So, they built a framework to solve this data problem from the ground up. At the heart of their solution is what they call an agentic pipeline. You can think of it as a team of 5 specialized AIs working together on an assembly line. The first AI, the retriever, scours the internet for documents that contain pairs of related images, like an ingredient and the final dish, or a tool and its result. The next AI generates a natural language question that connects the first image to the second. Then, a filter AI automatically removes any low-quality or nonsensical pairs. A rewriter agent then rephrases the questions in different ways to make the data more diverse. Finally, a reasoner AI generates a step-by-step explanation of the transformation, which helps the model learn the logic. By deploying this pipeline at a massive scale, they curated a huge, high-quality dataset of 1.8 million examples specifically designed to teach this new skill. To properly test their results, they also created a new human-curated benchmark called Intelligent Bench. This benchmark is like a final exam for the AI, specifically designed to test its world knowledge, design skills, and reasoning abilities. So, what were the results? They were nothing short of dramatic. They fine-tuned an existing open-source model called Light Fusion on their new dataset. The original model scored a trivial 7.78 on their benchmark. After training on the VQVA World data, the new Light Fusion World model's score jumped all the way to 53.06. This score not only crushes previous open-source attempts, but even surpasses some privately trained models. It also significantly narrows the gap to the leading proprietary systems like GPT-Image, which scored around 82. So, let's recap what this all means. Researchers have identified a major new AI capability, VQVA, where models answer visual questions with generated images. The main thing holding back open-source models was a lack of high-quality, knowledge-rich training data. The VQVA World framework provides a scalable, automated way to create this exact type of data. The results show this approach works incredibly well, bringing complex visual reasoning capabilities to the open-source community. In the future, this means we could all have access to more powerful and creative AI tools that can truly think and respond in pictures, not just words.